Well, g'day everybody, and thanks for popping through. Well, it has been quite some time, but this week I will be featuring the footage from the little Spark there, and what a little trooper this one is. This week's footage I'm going to be putting into Davinci and mucking around with there because I've never done it before. I wanted to use the LUTs in it where I can't do that in Premiere. So again, thank you very much for Kenny Cardoso for giving me those LUTs and letting me have a little bit of a play with them. I have had a lot of trouble with Davinci in the render settings, and I'm not getting the quality out of the render that I thought I would. It looks absolutely fine within Davinci, but when I go to render it, it comes out really dark and very grainy. So what I've done is I mucked around, tried to get a few things going on. I've got it to the best I can. I've actually got to have a talk to Ken about how to set the renders on those things. I'll tell you what, there's a lot of stuff in there. But anyway, please enjoy the footage I have here with a little Sparky out at Daggs Falls, and hit the like and the subscribe if you want to. That would be fantastic, and I shall see everybody on the next one.